You are not going to believe this view. I mean, we've seen some amazing things while it's been in Morocco, but this takes the biscuit. There you go. That is the waterfall. How amazing is that? This is one of Morocco's most spectacular natural sights. The name Ouzoud actually means olive in the local Berber language, named after the olive trees that cover the surrounding hills. It's wild, loud and completely breathtaking. One of those places that reminds you just how incredible nature can be. Over there are all the little boats that take you right up to the waterfall.
This is probably one of the best falls I've ever seen. Yeah, it's absolutely amazing. Just the light coming through that mist is like breathtaking. Was going to go for a swim as well, but the light, the sun isn't in the bottom of this valley at the moment. And believe it or not, even though it's sunny out there, it's quite chilly down there.
So this waterfall is 110 metres. I've seen Victoria Falls in Zimbabwe, but this waterfall is definitely my favourite. I would not want to swim there. We've booked into a cheeky campsite right near the waterfalls with a swimming pool. The campsite we've booked onto is called Zebra Camping. It's right next to the waterfalls, so it's really convenient. It has a swimming pool. Someone met on here said, oh, it's a bit murky, but you know what, me and John swim in anything. That's bloody paradise for us. Got these views. Ben's there. John's over there. There's a restaurant, toilet, showers, spotless, absolutely spotless clean. The price was 120 dirham for 2 people for 1 night and 50 dirham extra if you want to use the swimming pool for 2 people. I'm well happy with that. Yeah, we're going to spend the day just chilling, reading, and I'm going to do some editing. It's lovely just to chill around the pool and take time out, because I've had a bit of a dodgy tummy. I don't know where I got it from, but I stood up, I won't go into too much details, but stood up in the van and had a bit of a seepage, which wasn't...
You shit yourself.
Just going to show you the bathrooms, how clean they are. the restaurant and reception. I would give this place 5 out of 5 stars, I think. It's absolutely lovely. Really peaceful, quiet and super clean. John's trying to fix up a fly door thing for our van because we've been harassed by flies lately. How's it going? So this is where we stayed last night, still on the campsite. We're going to stay another night because
We love it.
it's so lovely to just be by the pool and chill for a few days before we start heading on towards
Reservoir.
Fez. Oh, Reservoir first and then towards Fez. We loved the waterfalls that much we went back the next day to have another look. There's plenty of restaurants and little stops that you can make if you get tired en route. There's a loop that you can walk here, which we've just done, and we started off over there, and you go all the way down to the bottom, you go all the way along the river, right over there, and then you come back up, and then it comes back round this way, so you can do like a whole loop. It's definitely not for somebody that has got any injuries or bad hips or unsteady on their feet, because some of it is really rocky. John's got his pole, so he's okay, but coming up it's definitely a workout. But wow, we absolutely love this place. It's got to be one of the best things we've seen in Morocco. It's just unbelievable, this scenery, and the cascades go on forever. You just go round another turning and then there's another beautiful waterfall. It just goes on and on and on. I highly recommend coming here if you're in Morocco, and it's completely free. If you was in the UK, you'd spend a fortune getting in here. We are en route to a reservoir now. So zebra camping, zebra,
Yeah.
tomato, whatever. It was absolutely wonderful, and I did notice there's a little block of apartments that you can stay in as well if you wanted to break from your van, which looked really nice. There's also a little hotel, so just here.
It's a perfect stop.
Yeah, it
I'd
was.
say it's our favourite. It's got a swimming pool.
Yeah, it
Everything's clean. It isn't busy, but we're out of season really, so it might be different later.
was. Oh, and here's the hotel, just here. So it's got everything you need. A little tiny shop just down the road selling water, snacks, and sweets, and things like that.
And they've got a restaurant.
Yeah. So perfect little stop, but we're on our way. We've had a nice little break for 2 days. The area has been fantastic with the waterfalls. Highly recommend it. But we've got to head on, so off we go. You are not going to believe this. This doesn't even look real to me. Unbelievable. Landslides everywhere along here. We've just arrived at our park up. Can you believe this view? doesn't look real, and this is no filter on this. I swear there's no filter. Morocco just keeps throwing these amazing places at us. It's just, I've got goosebumps. So I did look into some facts, and it's one of Morocco's largest lakes, and it was created in 1953. And these turquoise waters, they stretch 25 kilometres through the mountains. This has to be, I reckon, number one. Top of the list, park ups. Tell me what you think. Have you had a park up that's been better than this? If you have, let me know. Oh, hello. Oh, we have more friends. Hello. You're so friendly. Boo, you got more friends. Papa. Oh, hello. Oh, stiff sniff. Not a bad little spot. John's getting all prepared. Boo's gone off for a swim. You got your armbands on, Boo? Oh, John, put your bum away. Where are you going?
Flying. Yeah.
What, in that?
I've got a kite out there. I'm going kite flying.
Nice. Got a nice little shade up now. Boo's already in there swimming. I think I'm going to come in as well. Oh, does that mean we're having dinner outside tonight?
Maybe.
Nice.
Fly situation.
Yeah, well, you're going to catch some fish for dinner? Good morning. What a place to wake up. Just had a lovely swim in there. It was lovely. Leaving that amazing park up behind, the road pulls us into the Atlas Mountains again. The scenery keeps changing from dusty, uneven, unmade roads, which barely leaves space for two cars to pass. The landscape changes again. We've seen red cliffs, deep gorges, tiny villages, but as we climb higher, the landscape softens and the forest appears.
Today we've gone through like snow-covered mountains, not actually on them, but in the distance, through desert type areas, and now we're in like the Alps. It's unbelievable. It's all like meadows, lush green meadows, with rivers running at the bottom of them. Stunning.
John's been driving all day and Google Maps is saying 14 minutes left to get to this lake, but we've literally just turned round because Google Maps took us down this little tiny dirt track. It was tiny. We shouldn't have been down there really in a van, and we ended up in someone's front garden.
The most horrendous job trying to turn round. It was like hell. Like a big steep drop on one side, rocks on the other side, but we, apart from pulling off the number plate, we turned round and got out of there. Thankfully, it turned into like a donkey track, so yeah, I was very lucky.
I'm not great in situations like that. I always start panicking, and John was really good. But yeah, like the number plate's cracked, but that is literally it. But we were so close to the edge, so I got out the van and was telling John how far he could go and that. But I'm just, yeah, that weren't very nice at all. Bless you. But we've gone on another track and it's saying 12 minutes away. I'm like, is this
track
actually worth it? For another lake, it better be blooming worth it, that's all I can say.
If not, we've got a beautiful camp anyway.
Yeah, there's plenty of places to park around here, but it's just like, be nice to have a quick dip and be like near the lake. Yeah, but that's the first time since we've been away something like that's happened. Oh, John. See, I feel like I've got a cold coming, so I'm not feeling 100%. John's blowing his nose. We're full of dust. Boo's fed up. Boo was sick this morning. Yeah, just one of them days. Hopefully when we get here we can settle and have some dinner. Oh, bloody landslide here. Then we arrive at this hidden mountain lake surrounded by cedar trees and monkeys. We made it, John. We made it.
Yeah, absolutely. No problem.
And the lake is down there. It's nowhere near as nice as the one we've left behind, but this is en route to Fez, so it's not like we've come...
Well, kind of.
Well, we have come out of our way a touch, but it was on the way to Fez. But neither of us even feel like swimming now, so we're just going to find somewhere to park up and grab some dinner. We have finally parked up. It's really wonky donkey at the moment, so we are going to straighten it up in a minute. But yeah, that was, for me, was horrendous. Going down that donkey track in a bloody Mercedes Sprinter van. But the only damage we done was this to the number plate. It's not too bad. rolling in the dirt. Oh, anyway, but we saw some monkeys here just now. There's one up in the tree. Oh, John said they've gone over here somewhere. But obviously I'm really wary of the monkeys because of Boo. Look at all this rubbish everywhere. This drives us mad. There's beautiful places and rubbish everywhere. Huh, John?
Hey, what's up in them trees? There was some young ones. Is that one in there? In the middle of that tree behind you? Look, right in the middle.
Oh, I can't see. The sun's in my eyes.
Well, they might have all moved off.
Anyway, on the route here yesterday, we left the top window open in the van, and the van is full of red dust everywhere. And I've got OCD, so for me it was horrendous. Spent a lot of time cleaning it yesterday, but then we looked in the garage of the van, and it's horrendous. So we are cleaning. We're cleaning it all out. Curtains had to come down. It's like a fine red dust. Oh, John's just calling Boo back 'cause the car's coming. But that's what we're doing this morning. A lot of the inside, but oh, it was everywhere. So you can imagine all these little bits here. All this was just full of red dust. All the sofa had like a fine dust on it. So it's cleaning this morning. Monkeys in the road.
Monkeys in the road.
Excuse me. Oh God, he's big.
Monkey. Oh, he looks a bit grumpy. You had a hard morning.
Hello. Oh.
She's got babies. Little monkey. Little monkey. Oh, loads of them. Look, they're everywhere. Little monkey riding on a tree. Little monkey.
Hi. Oh. Yeah. Oh, John is chasing. Oh. We're off again. Woohoo! Anyway, we finished cleaning the van after her horrendous dust everywhere. So we are heading towards a cedar forest. I don't know if I want to do any more monkeys.
Monkey down.
Right, we're not doing that. We're going to head towards Fez. It's quite a journey, so we will have to stop off on routes. I think it's about 3.5. We've just had a bit of a to-do in here anyway. We can't seem to get any of the screen to show on the Victron display panel. For some reason it's gone blank, so we don't know whether we're charging or not. And both our phones seem to have gone really weird and we can't charge up on anything. So we haven't got any maps at the moment. So we're going to head towards Fez. Good afternoon. We've arrived in Fez after leaving the park up by the lake. It took about 3.5 hours, I think it was. A couple of coffee stops. Wow, is it hot today? It's got to be the hottest day. We've had a quick look around the Medina already and the gardens that are nearby. I didn't bother filming the Medina because you saw it all in Marrakesh. The only thing I'd say about the Medina here is that you don't get all the motorbikes and vehicles going up and down the tiny little walkways, so it feels a little bit more easier to move about, even though it was really busy. We parked in this secure car park that was on Park for the Night, and it's right near everything. It's near the Medina. It's about 40 minutes to the gardens, but the Medina is literally just over there. And tomorrow we're gonna do the tannery. Yeah, it's quite secure here, and it's 40 dirhams for 24 hours.